So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to check balance on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. So this is your home screen. You can tap on profile icon. Then you will see three lines at the top right corner. Tap on it. Then you can see the option called balance. Click on it. Wait for a few seconds. Here you can see you have zero balance and you have 0.00 USD dollar, and you can click on estimated balance. Click on it. Here you can see more info about it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.